Hello everyone. Are you concerned about what to do if your cat is lost? Let's explore. Losing a cat can be a distressing experience, but taking immediate action and following specific steps can increase the chances of finding your lost feline friend and reuniting with them safely. Firstly, begin by conducting a thorough search of your home and surrounding area, including closets, under furniture, and in hidden or inaccessible spaces where your cat may be hiding. Cats are adept at finding cozy hiding spots, so it's essential to search diligently and check all potential hiding places indoors and outdoors. Next, notify your neighbors, friends, and local community members about your missing cat and ask them to keep an eye out for any sightings or signs of your cat in the area. Distribute flyers with your cat's photo, description, and contact information to local businesses, veterinary clinics, shelters, and animal control agencies to alert them about your missing pet and enlist their help in spreading the word. Moreover, utilize social media platforms, neighborhood forums, and online lost and found pet databases to post information about your lost cat and reach a broader audience within your community. Include details such as your cat's name, physical description, last seen location, and any identifying features or markings to help people recognize and identify your cat if spotted. Additionally, set up humane traps or baited traps in strategic locations around your neighborhood to capture your cat safely if they are hesitant to return home or have wandered far from their usual territory. Place familiar scents such as your cat's bedding or favorite toys inside the traps to attract them and encourage them to enter. Furthermore, continue searching and monitoring your neighborhood, particularly during quiet hours such as early morning or late evening when your cat may feel more comfortable exploring their surroundings. Use a flashlight or spotlight to search dark or secluded areas and listen for any signs of your cat's presence, such as meowing or rustling sounds. If your cat is microchipped, contact the microchip registry to ensure your contact information is up to date and alert them about your lost cat. Notify local animal shelters, rescue organizations, and veterinary clinics about your missing cat and provide them with your contact information and a description of your cat to facilitate identification and reunification if your cat is found. In summary, if your cat is lost, it's essential to take immediate action by conducting a thorough search, alerting your community, utilizing online resources, setting up traps, and continuing your search efforts until your cat is safely found and reunited with you. By remaining proactive, persistent, and vigilant, you can maximize the chances of bringing your lost cat home and ensuring their well-being and safety. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.